Okay.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Will County in northeastern Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 8 p.m. At 6:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Naperville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Oak Lawn, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Woodridge, Homer Glen, Alfred, Palos Hills, Lamont, Burr Ridge, Westmont, Royal, Darien, Bridgeview, Chicago Ridge, Hickory Hills, Warrenville, Palos Heights, Worth, Willowbrook, Willow Springs, and Palos Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a flash